Hello, good day guys, this is Dr. Quarterfix. Welcome back. Today we got Lexus RS350 2013 model, and the problem with this very car here is automatic transmission temp high. Have you actually had that kind of problem before? I've discussed about it previously, so if you have that kind of problem, you want to ding ding me if you're in Nigeria. And I must tell you, it's not cheap. You know, you bought it. No matter any part of Nigeria that you are, I am competent. I'm gonna come to that area to come and fix it. Just budget my flight ticket and at least something close to $1 million. Okay, now I know a lot of you guys are gonna scream, what? But that is exactly how much it's gonna cost you. I decided I want to give you some talk regarding this very car. A lot of people in the overseas have been practicing this, but down here in Nigeria, a lot of people are more of trying to please people, right? What I mean please, they're doing it for formality because others are doing it, but not really paying attention to what the manufacturer specification concerning their car model really is. What do I say by that? I have just popped the hood open for this very Lexus RX13 model. Yeah, it's Lexus. If it is not Lexus, whatever else. Why I making this very video here is to tell you to stop wasting your money on synthetic oil. Now a lot of you guys are gonna say it has a long range mileage to it, it saves you a lot of money. Well, how about the disadvantage? How about the cons? How about when it's the cause of why your engine prematurely fails? People actually don't look into that very context, right? And today's video here, I told you guys from where I posted this that only those who really want this information is gonna click on this very video here. I'm not even talking about YouTube. I know a lot of you guys are gonna go ahead and debunk what I say right now, but I don't really care about that. So let me go ahead and the hood. Now for most of you guys, when you open the hood, you pop your hood open, like I popped this one open right now, and head over here, you're gonna be seeing the sticker of the recommended oil meant for your car. So for this one is here is 0W20, right, which is fully synthetic, as most of them will call it. That is where you're gonna find the specification for your car oil, right oil, which you need to use, the right motor oil which you need to use in your car. Now if you pull up this very dipstick right here, you're gonna see it right there. Now, why did I say buying synthetic is gonna be wasting a lot of your money? I wish I got my whiteboard right here. Let me close this first. I wish I got my whiteboard right here. It's gonna make a lot of sense when I tell you guys what you need to understand about motor oil. Now, you have seen the prescription I give about this Lexus here is 0W20. But there is something which the manufacturer says, which a lot of people who are selling motor oil will never tell you. And what is that? What they're actually not telling you there is that you need to use this very car here based on the country it was manufactured for. So a lot of you guys who are buying these cars don't actually want to really pay attention. If they say they need 0W20 here, it's for the specification of the country that this car was made for. So now let's take a look at where this car was made for, and that is where you should be using that specification for. And how do we find out? We're gonna find out from the VIN number or where this car was bought from, and we on the door sticker here. So if we look at it from here right now, we're gonna see it. Canada. Can somebody say Canada? I wanna get this closer, so I'll give you the shot. Can you see the Canada right there? That is Canada, guys. That is Canada somewhere here.